Thanks for checking out SkooTour. This is the debut video for our channel. SkooTour channel is dedicated to take you on scenic journeys across the lands. Here you will discover the beauty and diversity of nature, its serene lakes, to its lush forests and exotic lands. You will also learn about the history, culture, and wildlife of each destination as we share with you some insights and tips along the way. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next trip, relaxation for your mind and soul, or just some stunning scenery to brighten your day, you've come to the right place. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. SkooTour! Today we explore the Songbird Slough Forest Preserve, which is a 390-acre area located in Itasca, Illinois, that attracts birders and anglers alike. The preserve features wetlands, prairies, meadows, and a lake that was formed by the Wisconsin Glacier thousands of years ago. The preserve is home to many kinds of birds, some of which are endangered, threatened, or of special concern in the state of Illinois. Of more than 200 kinds of birds recorded at the preserve, almost 1/3 are on state lists for being endangered, threatened, or of special concern and in greatest need of conservation. Like, subscribe, enjoy!